Like other Microsoft software, Publisher has the Clipboard. This allows you to copy, cut, paste, and use the Format Painter function. If you know this already, skip ahead. To use the copy function, use your mouse to select or highlight text or an object. Then find the Home tab and select the copy function. You could also do this using the right click on your mouse. To use the paste function, use your mouse to select where you want the object or text to go, and then select the paste option. Once again, you can also do this using the right click and the keyboard shortcut options. To use the cut function, do what you would do with the copy function, except instead of selecting copy, select the cut icon, which is a pair of scissors. The Format Painter option allows you to copy the style and formatting of a section of text. Use your mouse and place your cursor in a piece of text of which you want to copy. Then select the Format Painter option, which looks like a paintbrush. Find the text that you want to apply the formatting to, and then click and hold with the left mouse and highlight the text. You'll notice that it should change to the format that you want.